exercise. First one, reminder when 7 power 7 divided by 9. 7 power 7 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9. Negative remainder is minus 2. Minus 2 power 7 divided by 9. This is minus remainder of 2 power 7 divided by 9. 2 power 7 divided by 9. So this is minus remainder of 2 power 6 into 2 power 1 divided by 9. Divided by 9. 2 power 6 divided by 9 is 1. Minus into 2 is minus 2. Positive remainder is 7. Positive remainder is 7. I hope the idea is clear. 9 ones are 9. Negative remainder is minus 2. Minus 2 power 7. Minus is out. Remainder of 2 power 7 by 9. 2 power 6 into 2 power 1. This clear, right? Now, next one. Second one. Remainder of 15 power 23 plus 23 power 23 divided by 19. 15 power 23 plus 23 power 23 divided by 19. Method 1. Method 1. Method 1. 15 power 93. 19 ones are 19. Negative remainder is minus 4 power 23. 19 ones are 19. This is 4 power 23 divided by 90. This is 0. Method 1. 19 ones are 19. 19 ones are 19 plus 4. Method 2. Method 2. A power n plus b power n is divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. If n is an odd number. A power n plus b power n is divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. Why? Because a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. Now see this question. Method 2. If I use method 2, 15 power 23 plus 23 power 23. A power n plus b power n. 23 is an odd number. A power n plus b power n is divisible by a plus b, which is 15 plus 23, 38. Any number divisible by 38 is also divisible by 19. So answer for this question is 0. Answer for this question is 0. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. If n is an odd number. N is an odd number. Third question. After third question, next 10 questions are little at a higher level. Listen carefully, sir. Listen very, very carefully. After this one, reminder when 2 questions of this model we will solve. 43 power 101 plus 23 power 101 divided by 66. Divided by 66. 1 power 13, 2 power 13, 3 power 13 and so on up to 60 power 13 divided by 61. Let us solve these 2 questions. 43 power 101 plus 23 power 101 divided by 66. Divided by 66. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. If n is an odd number. So 43 power 101 plus 23 power 101 It is divisible by 66. Answer for this question is 0. Answer for this question is 0. Next, fourth question. It's a beautiful question. 1 power 13, 2 power 13 till 60 power 13. If I take first and last, 1 power 13 plus 60 power 13, it is divisible by 61. 2 power 13 plus 59 power 13, it is divisible by 61. It goes on like this. 30 power 13 plus 31 power 13, it is divisible by 61. Total 60 terms are there. First and last, second and second last, third and third last. 60 terms are there. 30 terms sum will give you 61 to the other side. Answer for this question is 0. Answer for this question is 0. I hope the idea is clear. Fifth onwards, listen carefully. Fifth onwards, listen carefully. I hope the idea is clear. Third one 0, fourth one 0. Fifth one. Reminder when 32 power 33 power 34 divided by 11. 32 power 33 power 34 divided by 11. Please don't write 32 power 33 power 34 as 32 power 33 into 34. They both are not same. A power m power n is not equivalent to a power m into n. A power m into n. First thing what you will do is 33 is an odd number. Odd number power any number is an odd number. 11 3s are 33. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Negative remainder minus 1. Positive remainder is 10. Positive 1. 11 power 21 power 360 divided by 12. Please write down. I am increasing the powers. 11 power 21 power 360 divided by 12. 21 is an odd number. Odd power any number is an odd number. 11 by 12. 12 ones are 12 minus 1. Minus 1 power odd number. Minus 1 power odd number is minus 1. Positive remainder is 11. Positive remainder is 11. 12 ones are 12. Negative remainder minus 1. Odd number power any number. Odd power any natural number. Any natural number. Answer is an odd number. Odd number power any natural number. Answer is an odd number. One more question of this model. 26 power 18 power 192 divided by 27. 26 power 18 power 192 divided by 27. 27 ones are 27, which is minus 1. 18 is an even number. Even power any number is even. Minus 1 power even. It is plus 1. Plus 1. Right? 21 is an odd number. Odd number power any natural number is an odd number. Odd number power any natural number is an odd number.